Indulge in the rustic charm of Brazilian cuisine with this extended polenta frita recipe. A favorite snack that brings warmth and comfort to any table. Polenta frita, or fried polenta, is a versatile dish that showcases the simplicity and heartiness of cornmeal, transformed into a crispy delight. Begin by selecting a high-quality, fine cornmeal, which is the cornerstone of this recipe. In a large pot, bring water to a gentle boil, adding a generous pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the polenta. Slowly whisk in the cornmeal, ensuring to pour it in a steady stream to avoid forming lumps. Continue to stir the mixture vigorously as it begins to thicken. This process requires patience and constant attention to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Once the polenta mixture thickens and starts to pull away from the sides of the pot, indicating it's fully cooked, add a touch of butter for richness, and a hint of grated Parmesan cheese for a subtle, nutty flavor. Stir well until both are thoroughly incorporated into the polenta. Pour the hot polenta into a greased baking dish, spreading it out evenly. The thickness of the polenta layer will determine the size of your polenta sticks or wedges, so adjust according to your preference. Allow the polenta to cool at room temperature until it solidifies. Then refrigerate it for a few hours or overnight to ensure it sets firmly, making it easier to cut and handle. Once set, remove the polenta from the refrigerator and cut it into sticks or wedges. These shapes not only make for easy frying but also add a fun, tactile element to the dish, perfect for dipping. Heat a generous amount of oil in a deep fryer or a large, deep pan. The oil should be hot enough that a piece of polenta sizzles upon contact. Carefully add the polenta pieces to the hot oil, frying them in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Fry until each piece is golden brown and has a crispy exterior. Then transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Serve your polenta frita hot and crispy, sprinkled with additional grated Parmesan cheese, or accompanied by your favorite dipping sauce. Popular choices include a tangy marinara sauce or a creamy aioli, which complement the polenta's crispy texture and corn flavor beautifully. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian polenta frita, a simple yet utterly satisfying dish that captures the essence of Brazilian comfort food. Whether served as a snack, appetizer, or side dish, these crispy polenta sticks are sure to be a hit, offering a taste of Brazil's rich culinary heritage.